A dad is a person who is loving and kind. And often he knows what you have on your mind. A dad can be one of your very best friends. There's always a place for him deep in your heart. And each year that passes, you're even more glad just to call him your dad. Thank you, Dad, for giving and sharing, for listening and caring, but especially for just being you. Happy Father's Day! Hi, I'm Jassim. And I'm Yahya. Welcome to our YouTube channel, JYBros. It's Father's Day, and we wanted to do something special for our dad. We're gonna make cards for him. To make a card, we need construction paper. You can choose any color you want. I'll choose black and white because those are my dad's favorite colors. Let's get started. Let's fold the card into a half to make it look like a card. See? Now I'm gonna take this white paper and cut it into shapes. Just watch. Now it's time to stick them. Now we're gonna make this into a bow. Now I used the black paper to make 3 circles, and now we're gonna use them as buttons. See, now it looks like a shirt. To write the message inside, I'm gonna use this white paper. I folded the white paper into a half. And now I'm gonna use this red heart stamp. You can choose any stamp you want. You can choose this elephant stamp. You can choose this tiger stamp. You can choose this monkey stamp. Any stamp you want. Now I stamped all of these hearts, and I'm gonna put a spot where I can write the words that I want. And I'll put this in this. Now it looks like this. it's my turn. Mine is going to be easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and I'm going to pick the color yellow. I'm going to turn this into a half and fold it. See? Now it looks like this. Now I'm going to draw a cup on it, like a winning trophy. And I'm going to cut it out. Now it looks something like this. And to put them together in a card, I'm going to use this. Hey Yaya, what are you doing? I'm making a card for Dad. Oh, that sounds awesome! Now I'm gonna write a message over here.
Right.
Now it looks something like this. I'm gonna use a stamp to stamp all over this. And I'm gonna leave this spot blank so that I can write a message. You can do anything to do something special for your dad. It doesn't have to be a card. Maybe it can be a gift or a hug or anything. Because dads are very special. If you like this video,